Hi everyone, welcome to the Joy of Blue collaboration. This is a collab hosted by Sara of Crafting and Relaxing, and basically you can make anything that you want as long as it contains the color blue, which is her favorite color, and mine as well. I like all blues. Turquoise is my favorite, but I love all blues. So this month I made a sand and sea necklace, bracelet, and earrings. I'll call it a set, but really there's 3 different pair of earrings. And normally with blue, I use silver. However, this was my starting point, which is why I'm calling it sand and sea. This is an agate shell pendant, and it's got gold around the edges. And this was from Bead Box Bargains, and let's see, from 2022. 28 to 30 millimeter carved blue agate nautilus pendant with gold tone or brass something, bail and wrap. Okay, and I bought it in February of 2022. So that was my starting point. So then I went looking, of course, for beads that went with this color. I don't think I have any agate that color, but I had Angelite. And Angelite is this pale blue color here. These are gemstone beads. Those were from Fire Mountain a while back. They are B grade, designer B grade. H2O9108GS. I don't know whether they still have them. They're natural, they're not dyed, and they're 10 millimeter rounds. And then to bring in the sand, I had these Bead Box Bargains Czech round melon beads in yellow opal luster, but I thought they had sort of a sandy feel to them, so I used those. And then the gold, I don't know where I got these, at a bead show somewhere, because they just have this little tag, or possibly at a place called Flower and Craft Warehouse. Let me see, it doesn't really matter because it's so long ago. No, I wrote how much they were and how many there were, but I didn't write. Anyway, I thought they sort of looked like sand, what am I trying to think? Sand dollars. Only they have a little dimension to them. And then the only other bead I used were these light metallic blue color-coded pyrite faceted rondelles that I had in my stash. Now, I've used color-coded pyrite in previous videos before. And then the clasp I used was from Michaels. I had this pack of sort of oval, but they're rope like, so I thought that had a nautical feel to it with the rope-like texture. I used that on both the bracelet, which is here, and the necklace. Now the necklace is only 16 inches. Again, my beadboard, I thought I was doing 18. No, it turns out it's like 16. And also, I couldn't use the little blue pyrites on the earrings because none of my head pin, I would have had to use like a really thin wire. This was a thinner beading wire in gold that I used, and so therefore I used wire guardians so it wouldn't wear out, you know, here at the end. Oh, and these crystals, if you watch this same collab on my other channel, Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage, I used these crystals, Chinese crystals, in faceted rondelles, which also sort of reminded me I had this pendant laying on my desk for a while now to use. Anyway, I decided to use them. So I did use them in the earrings, and at the end and in the center of the necklace, and at the last 2 in the end of the bracelet here, right here. Yeah, so I did the bracelet similar to the necklace, except that and I could use the blue there because it was beading wire again. yeah, that's about it really. So I hope you enjoy. Oh, let me show you the earrings. So this is the first pair I made. I put them all on lever backs with a shell design because I thought that was appropriate for sand and sea. Here are the crystals, and I did bring in some bead caps because I didn't want to add more dimension down here, but I wanted that pop of gold again down there. And I did use, so these are double danglies. They're cute. I did want to bring in the sand dollars there. And then I thought, well, what about, you know, the melon beads? So I did one with melon beads. They're just short drops with the sand dollars, the blue, and the melon beads. Again on the lever backs or lever backs. I don't know how you say it. I always say lever backs. And the last ones I thought, well, what if somebody doesn't want them that long, but only wants the blue? So I did the Angelite with the sand dollar and the crystals to go with it. So they could pick or choose whatever they would want. Now, if somebody would want this and would want a little bit longer necklace, I will have to restring it. So because, you know, there's not enough wire left, obviously. And probably what I would do is add another section of these and then end it maybe with only one of the crystals, or I'd have to see. But right now it's about a 16 to 17 inch necklace with the I think it's about a 16 with the clasp, is what I'm trying to say. So anyway, that's my project for Joy of Blue. Let me take this off so I can sit it down. I just wanted to show. Now my wrist is 6 3/4 inches, and you can see I have lots of wiggle room. So I would say it fits 7 to 7 1/4. I don't think it'll go up as far as 7 1/2. But that's that. And it has wire guardians and things on it too. So there's the bracelet and the 3 pair of earrings and the necklace. I really like it. I think I captured the sand and sea. Let me know what you think. Should I rename it Nautilus or should I leave it as sand and sea? I think I'm going to stick with sand and sea because we've got the sand dollars, and the sea. Yeah, and a little bit of sparkle. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to go check out everyone using the hashtag Joy of Blue May 2023. It's in the title down below, so you should be able to just click on it and check out Sara, check out my other channel, and anyone else who participated. Thanks again for watching. Hugs, love, and peace. Happy May, and soon happy summer, right? Not quite yet. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.